Alright YouTube, back again. Am Ryker Shadow Black. About to do a custom air intake on my man's Ryker. Just pulled it in. Try to bust it down. We're going to put the custom air intake air filter on it. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got the cover off for the hood. I'm going to remove the front bumper. Underneath there's 2 torque screws. I'm going to take that and pop the whole front end off. Alright, got it unscrewed. Now we're going to pop the front end right off. Then we're going to take off the panels, and then we're going to take off the frunk. Alright, we're going to remove the trunk and the side panels. Take that, bro. Okay, the whole trunk, the front, hood, front end removed. Now we're going to remove this side panel here. It's all with plastic rivets. Pop those out. Alright, so I got the side panel off. Plastic rivets. Then you got torque screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 in the back, 3 on the side. Same thing on the other side. Let's take those screws out now. Alright, so we got all the screws off. We got the shell lifted. Here is the airbox. We're going to remove that. Alright, so we got the whole thing loosened up. It's probably getting too dark now. Alright, so we unhook the air elbow, the airbox, and we're about to pull it out. Alright, so we got the elbow off and the old airbox out. We're going to put this elbow on and then put in the pipe and the new air filter. Alright, so we have the new pipe in, reconnected the air hose. That's the elbow. There's the elbow, and it comes all the way across and out to here. So we're going to finish up, tighten it up with the factory bolt. Alright, so we have the air breather on. It's in. Ryker's still open. As you see, it got dark out and it rained. What we're going to push through, we can get this done tonight. Alright, got everything bolted up. The elbow's on. We just dropped the bike back down. Filter's lined up. It's not touching. Factory bolt is used to reattach it. So right now we're going to put the panels on. Start buttoning up. Make it look real nice in a minute. Alright, still out here late at night. We got the air intake on. We just put the side panels back on, but tightened up the seat, about to the glove box, side panels, and then we're going to start her up. Alright, finished up the job, everything's done. Did it in the rain. All hooked up. Ready to go. We're gonna start it up. See how it goes.
So, what'd you say? Okay.
I zip tied it. Okay.
Right, you say. It's hard to.
Nah, but you can hear it's a little throaty.
Yeah, you can.
I can hear it. You can hear it.